Welcome back. Election Commission has said that Income Tax Department need not apologize to the priest whose house was raided at Velim. 9 chapels from Velim had condemned the raid. Congress had demanded Commission's apology before the priest, but now Commission has clarified that it wasn't IT but their own flying squad that raided the priest.
They were harping on only one point, that I had made a statement that it may be 6,000 or even 10 rupees, for which I am giving my justification. And if at all anybody's sentiments are hurt, then naturally I cannot do anything. If the flying squad or surveillance team find any cash with link to the political party or a candidate and criminally is suspected that it may be used for distributing among the electors, then the cash is to be seized by the flying squad, surveillance team, irrespective of amount.
Sanban party held during the Code of Conduct is also under the scanner of Election Commission. Now they said that he will get report within 2 to 3 days. A reporter from Panji Devidas Kamle with video journalist Onkar Farari.
Family members of police personnel get out joint electoral officer and demanded revocation of the transfer orders issued. 498 policemen were issued transfer orders by the police department. Police serving for more than 5 years in the same police station have been transferred to ensure free and fair poll in the state. Family members of the transferred police officials get out the Joint Election Commissioner Narayan Navti on Friday. They sought to know the reason why the policemen were transferred on emergency.
चुकीचे असता की बाबा ते इलेक्शन कमिशन ट्रान्सफर कर म्हणून सांगता आम्ही केन्ना कोणाचे ट्रान्सफर कर म्हणून कोणाकच सांगू ना म्हणजे आमका हेच जाय आशिल्ले डिपार्टमेंटान केला काय हिंगा केला ते इतलेच जाय आशिल्ले जाला खंय ते आमका जाय
Navti also informed that their role in transferring the police was of approving the proposal received from the police department.
आमचो रोल फक्त हांगासून धाडपा शिवाय अन्य आनी रोल आमचो कांयच ना म्हणजे करने हो जो प्रश्न आसा तो तुम्ही तुमचे डिपार्टमेंटल हेड कोण आता विचारता कारण जे प्रपोजल आमी आमचो कसलोच सहभाग ना बाबा तांकां पुलिशेचे ताजे उपरांत ट्रान्सफरी जातल्यो काय ना परत तुमकां हांगासर दवरतले काय ना हाजे आमचे कडेन तांणी कसलेच डिटेल्स धाडूंक ना.
After the get-out, they marched to the police headquarters in Panji. The family members of police informed that they held a meeting with the IGP and DGP.
विलेक्शनाक लागून त्यांनी आमका ट्रान्सफर केला होता आणि विलेक्शन झाले की असा त्या जागेचेर हाडटा म्हणून तेमी आमका हे केल्ले आसा. आयजीपीन सांगला न्ही आयजीपीन सांगला परत डीजीपीने बी सांगला आम्ही जिगानो सांगला.
A reporter in Panji Devidas Kamli with video journalist Omkar Falari. Terrorism in the world has increased due to the US-led war on terror. This was stated by senior Indian journalist Saeed Naqvi at the DD Kosambi Festival of Ideas. During his lecture on the topic Arab Spring, Prospects and Challenges, he said that both Pakistan and USA were hand in glove in executing the Osama operation.
What is your comment on Indian democracy in general and to what is happening in Goa? I don't know if you've been reading the newspapers that we are now slowly shifting from democracy to family dynasty.
Why at a certain stage here, families, whether it is in Delhi or in Mumbai or in Chennai, so Goa, you are not the only one. It is a huge family industry going on with Karnanidhi in Chennai. You have, take a look at Sharad Pawar and his lot. Take a look at Thakare's family. Take a look at the Gandhi-Nehru family. In fact, I keep asking people that if Indira Gandhi had got married to another Parsi whose name was not Gandhi but Batliwala, would the history of India be different?
There's been no prosecution of the wrongdoers, and that has led to a homegrown terrorism. Do you agree with that?
Well, terrorism has been a theme, but I think the manner in which the war on terror has been led by the West and the United States of America has led to a multiplication and an increase in terrorism rather than in its reduction. As I say, in fact, there seems to be a double game going on.
A reporter Jason Suarez for Prudent Media.
Now look at the political events in the state.
BJP's Margao candidate Rupesh Mahatme commences door-to-door election campaign from Thursday. Mahatme informed that they have got good response from the electorate.
ज्या घरांनी आमी आतां फिरल्या सगळे त्या घरांक सगळ्यांक चेंज जाय ह्या फुडें मडगांवां चेंज जातली हे आमकां आतां दिसपाक लागला.
Jose Philip D'Souza also started his campaign in Vasco constituency from Shantinagar along with his supporters. Businessman Nazir Khan has decided to contest assembly election as independent candidate from Murgaon constituency. Nazir Khan informed that if any good regional party or national party approaches him, he would join them. His supporters have requested AICC General Secretary Oscar Fernandez for giving ticket to Nazir Khan.
माझे बिझनेसाक सायडीक धरून हांव हे फुडें सरला कित्याक लागून ते आयज आमचे भुरगे सफर जाता हे आमचे पॉलिटिशियनाक लागून तेका लागून म्हाका हेंचे अगेन्स्ट झगडपून आनी आमचे भुरग्यांक एक रायट्स दिवपाक लागून हांव फुडें सरला.
Former Sarpanch of Betalbati, Marcos D'Souza, had decided to contest as independent candidate from Nuai constituency. He has been fielded by Nuai constituency Honesty Forum. Marcos D'Souza was earlier working for former Tourism Minister Miki Pacheco. He alleged Miki and his former OS of corruption. He has also alleged that Miki and Alexio Siqueira have failed to take up developmental works and will face anti-incumbency factor.
I am contesting as an independent from Nuai constituency. People say that both Alex Siqueira as well as Miki Pacheco has not done anything.
Former MLA Arisio D'Souza has decided to contest as independent candidate from Kunkri constituency. D'Souza informed that there is dictatorship in the constituency. He informed that elected representatives like councillors, punch members are pressurized and have no freedom. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.